In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to use RunwayML Gen-2's multi-motion brush to create a sci-fi movie like this.
In the year 2026, a journey beyond our universe begins. Captain Alex Thompson embarks on an interstellar mission, discovering a world unlike any other.
Today we embark on a journey beyond the known.
And towards the end, I'm going to give you some special tips for consistent character creation in such movies. So make sure you stick around with me till the end. And for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Creating story, script and prompt. For this, I'm using ChatGPT 3.5. In the message box, I'll have to type my entire prompt. Well, what I do for avoiding copyright is I give an outline of a sci-fi movie here and then go to the send message option. Now I have my story ready. Now I have given the next prompt. Please give me the detailed image prompt for Captain Alex in 50 words. So they have given me this prompt. This is second thing. And third thing, I asked ChatGPT to give me the prompts for scene by scene image, and I have got the prompts. Now I will head over to the next part where we will be creating the voiceover. For creating voiceover, I am using 11 labs. Just copy all these narratives, paste them here, select a voiceover artist. You may decide to change the setting a little bit, the stability. You can go to this generate button. In the bottom right hand side corner, you can have the download button. You can download the entire script. And from the left hand side play button, you can play and check how it has turned out to be. So like this, you'll have to create the entire voiceover. Now let us move forward to create the images. So for images, we have already got the image prompts from ChatGPT. So I will copy one of the prompts. Now head over to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI gives 150 credits every single day, so you have enough time to experiment. I have created a detailed video on Leonardo AI interface and the prompt engineering, how you should be doing or giving the prompts. You can go and check that in the description as well as in the top right hand side corner info I button. Now we will go to image generation option, and here you see I have put some other details except the prompts. ChatGPT is not specialized for image prompt generation. Okay, therefore we need to add a few words. Ultra detailed illustration, I want it in neon lights. So neon lights, neon particles, colorful 64K, front camera, wide range shot, sci-fi cinematic style. These few things I will keep intact for all the prompts, and rest, the first part, will keep changing. I have taken the robot's image from here, but I have created the other character Alex from another software, which I am going to show at the end. Okay, so here I have different fine-tuned models. You may choose any one, but I have seen Dream Shaper has given me, Dream Shaper V7 has given me the right style. Okay. From here, you can choose up till 4 images. I have chosen 2. You may keep the prompt magic and alchemy magic on. Then from here, you can choose any of the styles. Okay, I have kept dynamic. You can keep creative also. Next, we will go to the aspect ratio. 16:9 is the right aspect ratio for us. Keeping other things as it is, we will go for generate option. And let's see what is the output. Look at these images. It's stunning. Really beautiful images. So if you like any of these, just go to this smooth upscale. There are 2 upscales options, smooth and crisp. You may go for either of it. Okay. After upscaling, this is the image which is quite satisfactory. As the robot I have taken, I've told you the robot's character I have created out of Leonardo AI. But Alex's character I wanted to keep consistent, as this is one of the protagonists in my movie. So I have used some other software which I will reveal only towards the end. Next, I will have to go to this download button in order to download it. Like this, I have created all the images required for my scenes. We will head over to the next part where we will be animating these characters. Now we are here in runwayml.com, app.runwayml.com. I will leave all these links in the description. Okay, from here we will go to this text or image video generation. Okay, I will skip this. Now you have two options. Either you can go by text prompt and then create a video. First we will try that only. So what I do is I will copy the complete the same the same prompt which I used for Leonardo for creating these two images and see what is the output. I will simply paste the prompt here. Timer. You keep general motion. If you give more, it will be giving more motion. Camera control, I want zoom out control a little bit. So I will keep the zoom camera left side. Okay. And save it. Now motion brush, I don't have much to do here because my video is not generated yet. If you want to add a particular style in the video, then you may take from here. Let me take a particular style as because I'm generating the video. Okay, I will go for thriller style and one style only you may keep. Okay, so I am okay with it. Go and generate. This is a video in that style which they have created. Okay, so style wise if I see it is pretty cool, but the kind of videos which I am looking for, it's not gelling with that. Therefore, I will go for the second option. I will go to image option. I will simply upload those two images which I have got. Okay, the image is uploaded. Now, I will go to the camera movement. I will go for again pan, left. Okay, and I will give a horizontal movement towards front. Okay, and no vertical movement much. I have given zoom out, pan and horizontal movement. Horizontal 6.6, pan minus 4.4, and for zoom out effect I have given minus 3.6 and save it. Now comes the main trick, motion brush. Okay, I will select the brush and here very minutely I will reduce the brush size a little bit. Very minutely I will first take the spaceship. Okay, now I want it to move horizontally forward. Okay, a little vertical. 4 more brushes. So I'll take the second brush. I will select only the back part. Okay, and here I want again the backwards. Little bit horizontal, a lot of horizontal and little bit of y-axis. That's pretty much it. And then I will go for the third brush where I will use these flares. Okay, this way I will select and I will give a kind of ambience noise here. And finally, I will take this fourth brush and I will select these part. So after a lot of y-axis wise movement and z-axis wise movement, that is proximity movement and vertical movement, and horizontal movement, I have given negative. So with that, I will just save it and then generate. Download it from top right hand side corner, this download button. Okay, in this we will be seeing some more detailed brush settings. I will have to upload my image. Now I have given it a little bit of zoom, left hand side zoom, like that is zoom out effect minus 4.7. These units matter. Okay, now pan I have given 2.8 pan, which will look like this, and then saved it. Now I'll go to this motion brush effect. Here I have used the first brush for the main character. I have carefully selected it, okay, and I just given it a slight right hand side movement. So I have kept the horizontal x-axis movement to 1. One thing to remember, in RunwayML, less is more. So if you extend it to a higher level, don't think it will give a better effect. Next, I have chosen this pink brush. I have selected these corals and I have given a strong left hand side movement. So I have kept the horizontal toggle to -7.5. That's all. Third, I have taken this yellow brush and I have selected a few elements of corals horizontal axis to 1. Okay. Now I have taken the fourth brush and I have selected the major part of the background corals and I have given an ambience noise so that these all are not static. Proximity to -2.8. After doing this, I will just go and save these settings. Now if I go to generate, let's see what is the output. Software which I use for character generation, that is app.artflow.ai, where I have created these videos. You can see this is my Alex's character. So for this tutorial, I am not going to get into the technicalities of this software because I have already created another complete detailed tutorial. I would strongly encourage you to achieve the consistent character in filmmaking. You need to watch this because Artflow is one of the best softwares in order to create the consistent characters. So with that, let us move forward to the next step. So I have taken I am using Filmora 12. You may use any basic video editing software. Keep the ratio 16:9 and go to new project option. Straight away go to import media files and import all my videos. Now select somewhere outside. Now bring the videos one by one as per the sequence. If you want to increase the second, right click and crop and fit. Okay, right click and crop and fit. And then if you want to get rid of this part here, then there are two options. Either you may expand it a little bit more. Another option is go to this crop button and keeping 16:9 selected, just crop it a little bit so that this part is getting covered like so, and apply. And now also you will see there is no watermark. The third best option is, without doing all this, go to this effects option. Okay, and in video effects go to mosaic. Okay, now this is the mosaic effect I was talking about. Drag and drop it on top of the clip. Now double click on that, just make it small as possible so that it only covers the part where logo is getting seen. And then here go to this drop down option and select the last option and increase the blurriness to 100%. And now if you check again, it is not visible. One small disclaimer guys here. Removing the watermark from service does not get you the copyright for that particular asset. With that, let's go to the next option. Now here, this is done. Now what I'll do is, I will copy this, bring the playhead towards the end and paste it here. Now select it and together. Now double click on this, go to the speed option and reverse the speed. Now if you see, this will look like a single clip. This is my first clip and this is my second clip. Okay, this looks like the same clip continuation. You can do this process 3, 4, 5 times as long as you want. And go to this audio option. Here you get the volume point. You can increase it or decrease as you want. Now one more thing, I want to give a transition in between. Then go to this transition option. There you have zoom in, zoom out transitions. Ideally, I feel for this sort of films, zoom out kind of a transition works really well. So like this, after continuing like this, after giving the transition, next comes the effects. If you go to effects option, you get different type of effects which you may use. Like if I want to use this one, I can drag and drop the effect and continue till the end. And here if I double click, I have the total control on the radius. I can also change the colors. Here if I want to take any color, let's suppose I want to use this color, this green color, and instead of red I use this color. Okay, now you see how does it look.
Today we embark on a journey beyond the known.
Okay, if you want to use them, you can just drag till the end of that clip and it will come here like this. Okay, it looks amazing if you add an effect here. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. There is sticker option if you want to give a special effect. Let's suppose I want to give a special effect like this or like this. Okay, what I'll do is I will just select these two clips together, copy them, paste it somewhere outside here. Suppose I want to paste it and then bring them up on top. Okay, in between I will just give this effect and double click on that and go to this video option. Double click on the B-roll clips, the clips which are on the top, and double click and go to video, see properly, go to AI tools and give this AI portrait on. In that case, what will happen? It will remove the background. Same way, do the same thing for the second clip. Now what will happen? You just see. Okay, the background, the effect which I have given, that is not affecting this main subject. That's the reason I give two layers of videos and in between I give the effects. If there is any speech, you can right click on that. You can go to this speech to text option. Okay, here you get this entire timeline. You can go for entire timeline. Rest everything will be same and then okay. Once it is done, you can see the sequence on the top layer. Double click on this to have more control. You can add one more. You can merge also two things together. Now, if you go to preset, you get different styles. You can choose any one style. Once it is done, go to this customize option if you want to give any further text or you want to choose any alignment. If you want to give a different color fill, suppose if I want to give this green fill, I will choose it, it will fill this color. You can change the outline shadow color also. Go to animation if you want to give a particular animation. So that way, once everything is set, you just go to apply all. That way it will apply to all the sequence and then go save. And once everything is done, go to this export button. You might not see it at this moment. It is at the top right hand side corner. And then give a name, select the directory. Okay. Keep the higher resolution, higher quality selected and export. And after all this is the final result.
In the year 2026, a journey beyond our universe begins. Captain Alex Thompson embarks on an interstellar mission, discovering a world unlike any other.
Today we embark on a journey beyond the known, into the uncharted realms of Cepheus. Let the stars bear witness to humanity's pursuit of the extraordinary. Destination, a world of wonders. Let's make history.
Destination, planet Cepheus, a realm where reality takes an extraordinary turn. On Cepheus, the line between imagination and reality blurs. Every being, every vehicle, a creation of the surreal. Gravity that crushes the spirit, an atmosphere too heavy to bear, a journey where every breath feels like an eternity. Amidst the chaos, a slumbering ally emerges, a forgotten guardian buried beneath the silicon surface.
Well, what do we have here? Sleeping in the silicon embrace of Cepheus, a guardian of the unknown. Time to awaken, old friend.
Together, Captain Alex and the AI embark on a monumental task: to build a spacecraft using technology beyond Earth's comprehension. After 28 years, the spacecraft is ready. The journey home begins. Cepheus, Odyssey, a sci-fi epic that transcends time and space.
In Cepheus, time dances uniquely. Among squid-headed neighbors, I've adapted, survived, and thrived. Earth's essence echoes in this surreal realm, where each moment is a blend of survival and discovery.
Coming soon to theaters near you. Get ready for a voyage beyond imagination.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in. where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.